Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgil Leones. Big shout out also to Homemade Customized Furniture Tagum, to Big's Printing Services, and to our internet provider, Watayin live stream karon. Kung wala ang Good Team Network, check. Reliable internet connection. Ay mo successful atong live stream sa duha ka adlaw diya sa Mapawa. And final huddle for both teams.
Wait lang biya mo, David. Hindi ba maklaw ko?
Isod ka. Diya ka oh.
Dari na lang ko. Excuse me, sir. Pwede, dira ko.
Ay, shout out to Tonbon Suway Baguio. Ato ang magitang assistant coach.
Tindog lang ko, ma'am. Okay.
Salamat po.
Ikaw lang sa story. Ikaw lang sa story.
Pag magsubok na ka.
Tom Daklag, ayaw lang pag-blood comment. Shout out sa imo ha, from Tago Luon, Rogal Luon.
Player number 77, Alcon. Player number 31, Enriquez. Player number 32, Vulcan Siso.
Shout out to from Consolacion.
And for the Student Barangay, player number 7, Tanhay. Player number 19, Luzon. Player number 24, Aliwan. Player number 7, Ruiz. And player number 30, Maputol. 10 minutes reductions. And here we go.
53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa.
For CM Farm,
Open commercial basketball. CM Farm basketball versus Seafood Paradise.
Okay. And players. Doon na lang po.
Ayun, nagkita na. Si Maputol at Bragais. Denma na Mindanao na. Denma na Mindanao. Maputol and Bragais.
53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa Open Commercial Basketball. Alarcon Championship Game. CM Farm versus Seafood Paradise. Tanhay. Pass to Ruiz. 3 points. Baliwan.
Ludi, di maklaro Ludi. Awan dami.
Saga. Pass to Enriquez. Humingi ng screen. Cross. Enriquez. Hindi na mawala sa kanya ang bola pero may foul. First foul rep. First personal foul, Tanhay.
Player number 7.
Ludi, anak. Ludi.
And Enriquez.
Enriquez, ibaw din ka ball! And Saga 2 points. Tanhay. Guarded by Alarcon. Tanhay. Tingin ang screen. Pass to jersey number 30.
12 seconds shot back.
Maputol. Pass to Dudong Ruiz. Guarded by Enriquez. Wala. Rebound. Tansyong buwan Siso.
Ludi, ulo.
Steal by Dudong Ruiz. Pass break to Tanhay. Maputol. 2 points.
And here we go, Enriquez. Pulling the ball.
Enriquez. Pass to Saga. From downtown. Saga for 3. The Ninja Saga. Tanhay. Aras by Alarcon. Alarcon! Gandang pasa na sana. Hindi lang nagkakaintindihan.
4,300.
Shout out to 4,300 viewers. Maayong gabi sa inyo, diha. Nakapaniha po na ba ang tanan? Saga again! Wala! Saga gustong isalampak! 2 points! Ninja Saga! Ruiz. Guarded by Alarcon. Ruiz. Gustong sayawan si Alarcon. 13 seconds to shoot. Jenmar Bragaes. Fast break. Walang kahirap-hirap. 2 points. Bragaes. Ruiz. Double team. Pass to Tanhay. Tanhay. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. 2 points. Jenmar Bragaes. Guarded by Baliwan. Cross pass to Alarcon. Sa labas. Alarcon for 3. Tanhay. Tignan maagaw.
Ludi.
Maputol for 3. Wala. Pushing foul.
Ludi.
Dol, pwede sibog gamay.
Ludi, makabot raman Ludi. Pwede na ka dito.
Tanhay, pass sa malaking mama. Maputol to Baliwan. Tumaputol. Pass break to Jenmar Bragaes. Oh, nice. Gandang pasa kay Bonasiso. Wala. Jenmar Bragaes lumipad. Galing Turak, Pampanga. Si Jenmar Bragaes. Out of bounds.
Let's look at the replay. Ito yung agawa ng rebound and Jenmar Bragaes kain. What a play by Jenmar Bragaes.
Enriquez for 3. Bam! Ruiz behind the back. Guarded by Enriquez. Ruiz to Baliwan, to Tanhay. Jersey number 7. Tanhay controlling, guarded by Ted Saga. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumaputol. To Baliwan sa ilalim, driving to the basket. Put back, Ruiz. Score 18-8. Alarcon for 3. Wala. Time out. Seafood Paradise score 8-18. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 5 minutos o 39 segundos ang nabilin sa atong oras. Tindog na lang. Tindog para
Pag-excuse.
makakita ka. Di pa nga kakita diri.
Ayan. Gawin ka ng linya niya. Kasi laki. Ayan. Pag-post ko na sa gumot. And we would like to bring the sponsors, Governor Dr. Gustavo, Congruent Gonzaga, Mayor Angelito, Dito Angelito, Caps, Bayan. Salamat po. Given na 100,000 pesos. All in all, ayan po, nag-price tayo ng 50,000.
This live stream is powered by Court Vision and CV Production, sponsored by
Champion.
the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Batilan and Ma'am Virgie Aliones. Maraming salamat, Boss and Madam. And shout out also to Homemade Customized Furniture Tagum, to Biggs Printing Services, and to our internet provider for fast and reliable internet connection, the Good Team Networks.
18.
Back to you.
City Farm. 27 shot clock.
4,700. 4,700. Correction sa score. That's
So 4,700 viewers.
18.
Dahil sa
minutes
ball
and
game,
39.
pumasok na si Malano.
Malano.
Malano. Guarded by Alarcon. Malano. Baliwan. Sa ilalim. Gustong araruhin. Si Saga feeding away.
Wala. Rebound. Ayan. Enriquez.
Steve Nash Enriquez. Ning Lanilla captain. Bragaes to Alarcon. Back to Enriquez. Fake lumapit. Gandang pasa sa ilalim pero stepping on the line. Bula balik sa Seafood Paradise. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Score 8-18.
Deserve lang to.
Malano. Double team.
Malano.
Pass to Maputol. Guarded by Bragaes. Ang dupol ganger ni Bragaes. Maputol. Gandang pasa.
Buzol lalabas. Five.
Baliwan, may foul. Busol. Busol.
Player number 7. Nagapatag na substitution. Utros, Baliwan.
Pumasok na si AG Agbong, John Cor Cabahog, Boon Bulak, Jintoy Mijares, and ex-chairman JB Mantilla, ang former chairman sa Barangay Suba, Cebu City. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 51 seconds.
Second group for Baliwan.
And happy watching, Madam Virgie Aliones and Boss Mario Bantilan. JB Mantilla, pass to Boon Bulak, the manager. Cross pass to the ex-chairman. AG Agbong to Mr. Pretty Titpit Senior. Rebound. Dudong Ruiz. Para hustle by Dudong Ruiz.
15 to shoot.
Ruiz. My foul.
Player number 11. Substitution coming out. Baliwan plays naman.
Ruiz inbounding the ball pass to Malano.
Malano.
Malano cross. Steal by Mijares. Pass break na kay JB Mantilla. To John Coy Cabahog, Mr. Pretty Titpit Senior.
Talagang ganahan.
Malano.
And Esteban online.
Esteban. Tumaputol. Maputol. Dudong Ruiz. Double team. Steal by Mijares. Mijares nagmamadali sa buhay. Pass to Boon Bulak. The manager. Extra pass to JB Mantilla. Short.
And rebound para sa Cebu Paradise.
Esteban. Rebound.
And Esteban
Esteban, guarded by AJ Agbong. To Solarte, lumipad. Patay ang buhay. Atras murag nuko si Kuya.
3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Solarte.
Step back 2.
Wala. Rebound, AJ Agbong. Pass to Jin Mijares Carding. Cross pass. Tubun Bulak. JB Mantilla. Balik muna kay Mijares. Mijares sa corner. Bun Bulak. Rebound. Jancoy Cabahog. Libre hilot sa ilalim. Basta si Jancoy Cabahog. Pwede ka na magtayo ng spa. Solarte. Malano. Malano. Hold up, Jay. 2 points. Malano. Wala na pong 3 minuto. Remaining time. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Score 10-22 in favor of CM Farm Basketball. JB Mantilla. Pass to Bun Bulak. Cross pass to JB Mantilla. Jancoy Cabahog sa ilalim. Block by Solarte. Out of bounds. Mula sa Seafood Paradise. Shout out na ikuha nila Solarte, nila Estrellante, nila Dudong Ruiz. Amiguhan ninyo ni sila Dudong ha. Estrellante, guarded by Bun Bulak. Estrellante may foul, blocking foul, wearing jersey number 19, Bun Bulak. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 18 seconds, score 10-22, 14 seconds to shoot. Estrellante, foul again. Sinong may kasalanan? Illegal hit to the arm, wearing jersey number 11, JB Mantilla.
Warning for penalty, CM Farm.
Warning for penalty, CM Farm. Estrellante. Pass to Esteban. Attempt for 3. Esteban. Napunta kay Estrellante. Between the leg. Estrellante for 3. Wala. Rebound, AJ Agbong. Pass to JB Mantilla. JB, bounce pass to Cabahog. My foul.
Winner number 13. Leg up that to Hills.
2 throws. Ibigay mo para kay Cabahog.
Okay. Okay. Kasig na ay mga kanya si BOs. And acknowledging the arrival of our Municipal Mayor ang dito. Dapat ito ang Sir Boy Peña. And kanya tubig. Tuliyong kuloy. Tubig loy. Atong trapuan na loy. Hindi ka ano guys ng players. Ayan. Patuloy tayo. Saman. Hapon na ka. Time remaining last 1 minute and 59 seconds. Yeah. That's it. Tutros. Or Cabahog. Ayan.
Isa?
Vera. 1 point. And Malano. Ruiz.
Dodong Ruiz for 3. Wala. Estrellante, rebound. Para move. Pero Dodong Ruiz, wala pa rin. Bunbulak. Jintoy Mijares. Bunbulak. 2 points. Bulak. Malano. Malano. Offensive foul ang itinawag kay Malano.
Charging foul. Second personal fouls and warning.
JB Mantilia, pass to Bunbulak. Wala na pong 2 minuto. Last 1 minute and 14 seconds. JB bounce pass to AJ Agbong. Isinawsaw pa ni AJ Agbong.
Basket count. Player number 18. Bonus goal for Agbong. Warning for seconds to play. Next team, Class B Division, the All Farm versus the Bandi Money Risers. With 2 Class E imports. Tonight, warning for seconds.
Solarte, steal by AJ. Ooh! Muntik ng isalampak.
55.
Dodong Ruiz. Double team. Steal by AJ Agbong. Pass to Jintoy Mijares. 2 points.
45 seconds.
Malano. Gandang pasa. Malano Solarte connection.
30.
Mantilia. 25 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Bulak from the parking lot. Walang kupas si the manager.
15 seconds.
Esteban lumipad. 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Kabahog may foul.
Last 4 seconds. Player number 13. Penalty. Last 4 seconds. Third personal fouls. Malano. Two throws for Cabal. Last 4 seconds. First throw na. Second throw for Cabal. And Rafa.
End of the first quarter score 14-37 in favor of CM Farm.
37 against 14. 37 against 14.
Back to you, partner.
Sa ating sponsors, once again, Honorable Governor Dr. Gonzalo, Honorable Ruel Gonzalo, and Mayor Angelito Cabalquito, and your very own Top Style Award for supporting against the basketball. Ba talaga ang liga sa mapa. And also we would like to thank Mr. Sir Roger Perez and School Principal of the Nabaltuman National Comprehensive. Again, magandang pasalamatan ang taga Mati City and also Mayor Michelle Rabat, Paulo Kuya Pao Rabat. And also, magandang pasalamatan din the virtual team, Ruberion, the Seaporn, Mr. and Mrs. Mario Bantilan, and also for the Super.
Okay, back to the ball game. For the second quarter.
Also the Canto Boys, taking great numbers.
Estrellante. Mag-hi kayo kay Estrellante pag madaanan nyo to sa daan. Back to the ball game for the second quarter. Score 14-37. Esteban from downtown.
Bola sa Seaporn. Ayan na. Murillo.
LG Aquino. Pass to Dilator. To Bling Bling Murillo for 3. Tanhay. Aras by LG Aquino. Tanhay. Esteban. Gamboa to Baliwan. 7 seconds to shoot. Tanhay. Fading away. Out of bounds. Dilator. Pass to LG Aquino. Steal. Natapik pala palabas. Ang bola. Same ball.
Substitution coming out. Substitution. 12 seconds shot clock. Score
Aquino.
39.
Bounce pass. Napunta pa kay Aquino.
5-1.
Tuluyan ang naagaw. Tanhay. Pull up. Jay. Wala. Rebound Aquino. Pass to Cardawi si Calabe. To Bling Bling Murillo si Calabe. Extra pass to Bling Bling Murillo. Pangalawa mo na yan. 6 points in the ball game. Nakanakaw doon. Si Aquino, pangatlong bitaw! May foul. Sayang yon.
24. Second personal fouls, Baliwan. Free throws for Murillo. Score 42-14. Seaborn.
Free throws.
1 point, Murillo.
Pasok ang unang bitaw ni Murillo.
1 point then.
Pangalawang bitaw. Pasok yan. Pangatlong bitaw. Perfect.
3 point line, Murillo.
Perfect. 3 of 3.
Baliwan.
Baliwan.
Estrellante.
Estrellante. Aquino. Murillo. Pinasa sa kalaban. Gamboa. Aras by Aquino. Pass to Baliwan. Baliwan. I-down Aquino. Pass to Murillo. Murillo sa pangatlong pagkakataon. Wala. Dilator. Papart Manresa. Lumipad galing Igacos. Island Garden City of Samal. Baliwan. O Estrellante. 2 points. Jillian Dilator, pass to Aquino. To Papart Manresa. To Cardawi si Calabe, 2 points. Gamboa. Bounce pass. Estrellante. Estrellante umikot. Top shot yon para kay Estrellante, pero Papart Manresa nagmamadali sa buhay. Lumapit for grab, sobra. May foul.
Tawagin nyo na lang. Substitution. Who's scorer number 12, Gamboa. 6 minutes and 49
Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Score 49-16. Jeliant De La Torre, Mr. KFD Rental. Inbounding the ball. Masyadong malapit si Ruiz. Gandang play! Aquino 2 points. Baliwan. Pass to Ruiz. Dodong Ruiz for 3. Wala. Tapi ka ng rebound. Papart Manresa ang nagwagi. Pass break. To Cardawi si Calabe 2 points.
Score 16-53.
Baliwan. Tumaputol. Wusol sa ilalim. May foul. First foul rip.
24.
All wearing jersey number 24. First personal foul, illegal hit to the arm. Papart Manresa.
Putros for Luzon.
Unang bitaw, wala bitaw.
Score 16. 53. Steve Horn.
1 point. Musol. Aquino.
Aquino.
Aquino, pass to Cardawi. Si Calabe, sumakay ka pa. Gandang reverse yun para kay Cardawi si Calabe. Baliwan. Ruiz to Gamboa. Baliwan. Baliwan sa ilalim, fading away. Sobra. Papart Manresa, pass to Cardawi si Calabe. To LJ Aquino from downtown. Wala. Cardawi si Calabe, 2 points. Gamboa. Baliwan. Ruiz.
Substitution. Coming out. Musol Insularte. Seconds for the shot clock.
Baliwan, 2 points. De La Torre, remaining time, last 5 minutes. LJ Aquino, wala. Baliwan, offensive rebound. Ay, rebound pala. Maputol, my foul.
Dalawa bibigay. Player number 49. Substitution. Coming out. Two throws for Maputol.
One point, Maputol.
Score 57. 20. One point.
Steve Nash Enriquez. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Humingi ng screen.
4 minutes and 42 seconds.
Enriquez.
Rodriguez.
Walang tinawag. Saga to Tansyong Bungan Siso. 2 points, Bongan Siso. Ruiz.
Ruiz.
Gustong sayawan si Saga. Wala. Steal by Gamboa.
Takot. Saga pass to
Enriquez. Grabing pasa yun. Extra pass, Bragaes. Sablay, ang tira ni Alarcon, maputol. Tubaliwan. Sobra. Bragaes. Enriquez. Bragaes. Bongan Siso, 2 points. Maputol. Jenmar Bragaes. Alarcon. Steve Nash Enriquez.
14 to shoot.
Enriquez Sablay. Maputol, 2 points. Saga. Alarcon. Steve Nash Enriquez.
61-23. C1. Sularte.
Gamboa. Gamboa, spin! Ara move by Gamboa. Alarcon. Pass to Bragaes. Kicks it out to Steve Nash. Enriquez, wala. Rebound Baliwan. Steal by Alarcon. To Jenmar Bragaes. Saga, 2 points.
Stoppable. 2 minutes.
Ruiz, tinignan pa. Si Alarcon.
And balls the bucket. That's 2 minutes and 2 seconds.
Alarcon, 4-3. Wala. Rebound Baliwan. Pass to Gamboa. Pass break to Solarte. Ara slam by Solarte. Bragaes. Ayan na, maputol, 2 points. Bragaes, pass to Saga. Sa corner, Enriquez for 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Ruiz. Ruiz driving to the basket. Malas. Alarcon, pass to Ted Saga. Saga, 2 points. Solarte. Solarte, 2 points. Tansong Bongan Siso. Pass to Enriquez. Alarcon, 4-3. Bongan Siso, 2 points. Gamboa, 24 seconds. Gamboa, short. Jenmar Bragaes. Wala na pong shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Enriquez, buzzer beater. End of the second quarter, score 33-67 in favor of CM Farm. Balik sa'yo, partner.
33. Saman. 33.
Alright, this ball game is brought to us by 53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan, Davao de Oro Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025 Championship Game, CM Farm versus Seafood Paradise. This live stream is powered by Court Vision and CB Productions, sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgie Aliones. Lagan kayo salamat. And back to the ball game. And back to you, partner.
Okay, maraming salamat, partner. Back to the ball game for the third quarter.
Shout out to One Love ba to, bro? One Love. Yes. Shout out One Love family. All right. Shout out.
The Old Farm versus Bandi Bani. Championship game.
Enriquez pass to Jenmar Bragaez at 10 for 3. Enriquez gustong sumubok. 3 points, Enriquez.
No, sorry.
73. Luis online.
Mun, dito ka mun, kay Mick.
Malano.
Malano home. 40 shoot.
Ikaw, kambyo mo mun gabi.
10 for 3, Luis. Correct.
Check. Alarcon, pass to
Ayan,
Bragaez na corner.
Diaz.
Enriquez, balik muna kay Bragaez.
Guys. Drive.
Behind the back pass. Nabitawan pa yan ni Ted Saga.
Miscommunication. Yan, Malano. Yan.
Malano, guarded by Bragaez.
Paniwan.
Pass to Ruiz. Ibinongga pa. Si Ruiz, steal by Maputol. Sularte sa ilalim ay foul. First foul rep. Foul wearing jersey number 7.
Number 7. Saga. Second personal foul, Saga. Luis. There's a paper, guys. And Diaz, Bragaez, for 3.
Bragaez for 3.
Bragaez.
Baliwan. Maputol.
And Bragaez.
Jenmar Bragaez. Sayang yon. Ruiz from the rainbow line. Wala.
And Saga, hold right.
Ted Saga. Enriquez sa corner. Steal. Solarte. Slam by Solarte. Jenmar Bragaez. Steal by Solarte. Pass to Ruiz. Tatlo. Laban sa isa. Supply. 1 point.
Iniiwasan yung taga-
Enriquez, 4-3. Wala.
Nag-iisip din yan kung gagawin ni Pagkas.
Ruiz.
More fun, it's more fun.
Ruiz. Kusularte. Block by Tancho Buanciso. Baliwan.
Substitution. Coming out, Sularte. Petros, for Baliwan.
Baliwan.
Connect.
1 point.
Second through. And 1 point for Baliwan.
Alarcon.
And Alarcon.
Steve Nias, Enriquez, 4-3. Enriquez, Mingla, Nilia, captain.
Itong shooting.
Ruiz.
60 seconds, Ruiz.
Baliwan. Step back, kicks it out to Maputol.
Sanok.
Wala. Ted Saga to Alarcon.
Alarcon.
Bounce pass to Tansyong Buanciso.
Garciso.
2 points, Bragaes.
Guys.
Dudong Ruiz. Yan na. Yan na. Dudong Ruiz. Jenmar Bragaes. Ano? May bawi. May palitan dito. Ruiz, Portlo! Wala! Steve Nash Enriquez. 2 points.
Ayan na. Substitution. Ayaw. Score 85. 44. 85-44.
Esteban.
Hapit na. Hapit
Malano.
na. Guys.
Tugamboa. 4-3. Airball.
Hey, pasok, pasok.
Yan na naman. Jenmar Bragaes. Ball up J. 2 points. Ayan, Dudong Ruiz. Ruiz. Tinamaan daw sa ulo, sabi ng referee, technical si Jenmar Bragaes.
Tagalogin nyo. Tagalogin nyo. Explain na lang masami. Oh. Bawal yan, bawal na.
Technical si Jenmar Bragaes. 1 point kay Dudong Ruiz. Pride ng Panabo City si Dudong Ruiz. And isa to sa mga hinahangaan sa Davao Region, si Dudong Ruiz. Baliwan, rebound, heading away. Jenmar Bragaes.
Bragaes. Babawi.
Pass to Steve Nash. Enriquez. Alarcon. 4-3. Bang!
Malapit na shooting.
Gamboa. Ruiz. Estrellante. Wala. Rebound Baliwan.
Baliwan.
Alarcon. Out of bounds.
Score 90. 45. 90. 45. Doblado.
Esteban.
Esteban.
Gives it out to Baliwan sa corner. Wala.
Rebound.
Rebound Dudong Ruiz.
Salos.
Long shot. Wala.
Regas.
Enriquez. Out of bounds.
Substitution. Coming out. Alarcon in Cabahon. 3 minutes.
Jenmar Bragaes. Between the leg. Gustong sayawan si Gamboa. Enriquez for 3. Sablay. Pass break to Baliwan. Araslam by Baliwan.
Pusik. Pusik. Pusik.
Technical, upat lang. Si
Hindi nagsabi. Bakit apat?
score 47-90. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Igawa sa galit ng isa. Motor. Yeuna na po. Three minutes and 24 seconds.
Estrellante, pass to Gamboa. 4-3. Enriquez. Steal by Gamboa. Estrellante. Wala. Behind the back pass. Sayang yun. Ano? Grabing galawan sana. Three points, Estrellante. Enriquez for 3. Three points, Estrellante. Sablay. Estrellante for 3. Bang! Jenmar Bragaes. Enriquez to Bragaes. 4-3. Short. Gamboa. Estrellante again. Bang! Alarcon, gustong bumawi. Wala.
Tubigo, Estrellante.
Estrellante, pass to Gamboa.
Tubigo.
Estrellante. Bang! Pangilang 3 points na yan.
Ayun Bigo, Estrellante.
Estrellante. Ayaw sumablay.
55.
Bragaes, gustong putulin. Wala.
Pulong ang isang minute.
Estrellante again. Bang! Same spot. Estrellante. Ayan na naman si Estrellante.
Ayaw na. Sa gilid kaya.
Estrellante. Bang! Grabe! Ang ginawa ni Estrellante.
Bigo.
Enriquez.
15 seconds.
Jeanmar Bragaes. 7 3 points ang ginawa ni Estrellante. Ito pang-8. Pang-8 3 points. Wow! Grabe! Si Estrellante.
So
24 points. Gamboa. Estrellante, blocked by Bragaes. 2 points, Estrellante. Anong nangyari? One point, Enriquez. Anim ang kalaban. Bragaes. Alarcon, wala. Enriquez sa corner. Wala. Estrellante. Estrellante! Ardawi si Calabo, 2 points. Estrellante, 4-3. Grabe! Ang ginawa ni Estrellante dito sa barangay Mapawa, Maragusan. Bragaes. Si Calabe. Alarcon. Bounce pass to John Coy Cabahog. Tikmang mawala. Si Foyce Cabahog. Ruiz nakalusot, tiningnan pa si Bragaes. Alarcon. Enriquez for 3. Wala. Score 82-98. Jeanmar Bragaes 2 points. Gamboa. Gustong lumusot. Solarte, 2 points. Para slam by Solarte.
Nangyari. Kabahog.
Janko Cabahog may foul.
Player number 7, Luis. Luis Benz.
Tanggap dia sa SK. Atapin dia sa SK.
Very strong.
Naglalaro lang ang laban.
1 point, Cabahog.
Nangangamoy ulam. Second luto. Second row.
Complete 2 throws by Cabahog. Remaining time, last 7 minutes and 51 seconds
Bola kami in.
for the last and final quarter.
Tara guys. Ayan.
Gamboa. Pass to Esteban. Kicks it out to Solarte. Fake, lumapit. Pinoy step, Solarte.
Ayan. Bola sa player number.
Enriquez.
Ayan.
Basket is good. Ano? Not counted.
Dili, counted. Pero doa. Yan. Ano ba?
Player number 12.
Dili, gani.
Rodriguez.
Enriquez fake. Running shot. Sobra. Solarte. Kuminto sa 3 points. Estrellante pala, sorry. Grabe. Estrellante.
Bolo. Bolo. Ay, puta.
Ayaw sumablay ang tira ni Estrellante sa labas.
Wala, check. Check mo na. Check mo na nila liapon.
He scored 87-102. Remaining time, last 7 minutes. Malayo pa ang oras.
At this
Enriquez. Paso dyan, Court Cabahog. Cross pass to Alarcon for 3. Alarcon. Gamboa.
ay humihigpit yung depensa ng Sipa dito.
Pass to Solarte.
Huli kay Esteban.
Esteban.
Sa ilalim, fake sa
Heading away. Sobra. Alarcon. Tignan ng maagaw. Cross pass to Enriquez. Sobra. Si Paz Bulak. Solarte. Gamboa.
Mas amigo, Estrellante.
Estrellante.
Dadagdagan pa. Alright, pass
Solarte for 3. Wala. Alarcon. Pasa kay Esteban. Mali ang pinasahan. Rebound. Two points. Cabahog.
Tama yun.
Gamboa long 3. Wala.
Rebound. Ano ba yung bola sa Sipotana?
Estrellante.
And rebound. And Vigas. Pass to
Alarcon for 3. Wala.
Bibigyan pa ba?
Enriquez.
Alarcon.
Alarcon. Wala.
Pa rin.
2 points. John Coy Cabahog. Score 111-87. Gamboa. Tuloy-tuloy. Traveling violation. Gamboa.
Sumobra.
Grabe
5 minutes na sa mga seconds.
Hindi ka sa free throw.
Enriquez. To si Calabe. To John Coy Cabahog. Ubun Bulak the manager. Rebound, Dudong Ruiz. Pass to Solarte. Sayang yon. Enriquez, open na sa 3 points. Wala. Again. Enriquez, 3 points.
4 minutes.
May foul.
Ay, graduate.
And foul. 77. Substitution coming out. Anarcon. Kilmiras.
Steal by Enriquez. Ruiz. All up, Jay. Two points, Enriquez.
Daktol. Mahina, tayo, bastos tayo.
Gamboa sa corner.
Gamboa.
Wala. Rebound, John Coy Cabahog.
Daktol.
2 points, Enriquez.
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Estrellante. Ang layo. Air ball. Naubusan na ng lakas si Estrellante.
Bibanes. Yan na. Ang bumibigay. Yan natin.
Enriquez for 3. Wala.
Done.
Estrellante. Bang!
Samay.
Estrellante. Bang! Tama na daw, sabi ni si Calabe. Pati raw ng Ribiri. Ayan na, si Estrellante. Again. Why not? Estrellante. Ayaw sumablay. Cake pa hinauna, kanuna. Uy! Sablay!
Rodriguez.
Enriquez. Estrellante! Grabe!
Bulat.
Kapahog, 2 points.
Pagkatapos ng kasunod ng oras. 1 minute and 40. Sa patama rin.
Estrellante again! Wala na.
Congratulations!
Bildi. Congratulations! 53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa Open Commercial Champion, CM Farm Basketball. Final score, 99-120.
Alright, congratulations CM Farm Basketball for winning the championship game of 53rd araw ng Mapawa Davao de Oro Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025. Dagang salamat Cap Sky Abad for inviting us here. Sa Barangay Mapawa, dagang salamat sa katauhan sa Barangay Mapawa Maragusan. Salamat CM Farm owners, Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgil Leones. Oh, interview mo.
Okay, mag-interview tayo rin ha. So ayun, ano masasabi?
Ang unang champion ngayong taon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Shoutout ko sa kasawa niya sa Damulog. Gusali kayo ito. Shoutout ko sa mama. Mami. First champion at 2025. Shoutout sa family dyan. Santa Cruz, Tabuyoso. To my wife, Happy Mansuri. Let's go! Hey, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year sa ito na 2025 first champion. Shoutout sa akong pamilya diya, Michael Kina, Neri Aquino, Analisa Rivera, Elizabeth Aquino, Marvel Neri, Arabella, o ako mga anak, Trey Milan o si Amari Aquino. Thank you so much. Pagdalantaw, pagsuporta, please support and follow LJ Aquino Vlogs. Thank you so much. Alright, picture tayo mga idol. Aldo side. Alright, maraming salamat mga idol. Thank you for watching. Please support Born Meos Bulak Vlogs mga idol. Okay, sayang kayo ang tara. Ato na ta. Thank you.